What's up guys, so I'm back with a few more work at home opportunities for you. If you're new here, I make weekly videos for those of you who are looking for opportunities to work from home but not necessarily looking to start your own online business. These are skill-based jobs that may or may not require you to have years of experience. These opportunities are just like regular 9-to-5 jobs, except you have the ability to work from home. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. The first site on this list is Persona. They're a software-based company that hires worldwide with a majority of their positions being remote, meaning you can work comfortably from home. In order to find their job openings, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says more, and then you can find the link for all of their job openings. There are a few ways to go about seeing the job postings. From the drop down, you can either select job postings related to your country, you can choose remote to see all of the remote postings, or you can choose remote worldwide to see a general listing that is under that option. There are a lot of job postings, so take a look and see if any resonate with you, and then click on the link to apply. Now, I tried to do a little bit of digging to see if Persona offered any benefits, and they do offer paid time off and holidays, but I really didn't see anything else on any of their benefits. They may be worth checking out before you actually start applying. Okay, so next up is Envision. This is another software-based business focused on design and user experience. Most of the opportunities are remote, meaning you can work from home, and most of the jobs are available worldwide. The bulk of Envision's job listings are in engineering, with a few job listings in things like design, marketing, and customer relations. Envision does offer things like health benefits and paid time off. To find Envision's job listings, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the About section, you'll see the job links. Envision has a lot to offer, so take your time. Go through all of the postings and see if you can find something that works for you. Doulas is last on the list today. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's the parent company of the popular tasking app and website Doulas. This is another company that primarily hires remote, and they also have job postings worldwide as well. Job postings include marketing, design, support, and iOS development. Doulas offers health, dental, paid time off, as well as other benefits. In order to find Doulas jobs listings, you'll have to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you will see the We're Hiring link. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I just wanted to make a quick video updating you with a few more work at home opportunities. I'll keep continuing to do this as I find more. So if you're interested in this type of thing, make sure you like this video, share this out, and subscribe for more content. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.